Making a bold move is never easy, but what if that move opened the door to more freedom? Let's step inside an active senior living community where independence, purpose, and peace of mind come together.
The values of Lifespace is to thrive through teamwork, provide personalized experiences, own it, live and grow, and be excellent. And I think what really sticks out here at Oak Trace is providing those personalized experiences to our residents, whether through our amazing culinary team, our plant ops team, or lifestyles with all of the wonderful events and activities that they host. We really are looking at that resident as a person and individual. Seniors should look at making a move to a life plan community like Oak Trace because their health plan is in place. So if or when needed, you do not have to worry about moving again. We have the options for assisted living, memory care, and skilled nursing on top of the wonderful opportunities in independent living in which that plan is always set.
Planning ahead builds confidence, and the Oak Trace team is there to guide you every step of the way.
A life plan works in which a community promises a resident that they do have health care for life, but the big part about this is predictable costs. So they can plan financially for the future, in which their higher level of care rates are typically much lower than market rates. Planning ahead is very important for residents and their families. One, it gives the resident agency. This is probably one of the last major decisions they will make in life. And this allows them from planning ahead to actually choose what they want and where they want to be. For the families, what it does is it relieves a lot of stress. If somebody waits too long to make a decision, that decision may be removed from them. And then that weight is placed on the family members. So it is very important to start that planning early.
Resort-style living that brings people together, supports healthy lifestyles, and inspires new passions.
The beauty of Oak Trace, I feel, is untouchable. We are sitting here on 40 green acres in the suburbs of Chicago, very close via train, but also far enough away to we are set within neighborhoods of beautiful single-family homes. We've recently added our addition, which brought in 140 new apartments, a brand new restaurant, a grab-and-go market, a cafe counter, a salon, and also a brand new fitness center. This has really upped Oak Trace's game to make us the premier community in the west suburbs of Chicago. The Oak Trace culture is just energetic. Everyone here is happy. There's a lot of communication between the residents. There's a lot of interaction every single day. It's hard to walk through our hallways and not see a resident smiling and calling you by name.
When we came to Oak Trace, we were immediately impressed by the surroundings. And then as we started to check down the boxes, it checked all of our boxes for us. There's also a contemporary feel about this place. It's modern, it's upscale, it just feels like things are happening here. When we looked at the list of activities, we said, oh my God, what a list of things to do. If you're bored, it's probably your own fault because there's a lot to do here.
I liked that they had all three levels of care. You could go from independent living to assisted living if you needed memory care, that was there, but they also had skilled nursing. We have a 198-bed health center here. That is the size of a lot of small hospitals. This health center is actually on the top of most of the hospitals around here referral list, and I looked at that. They also have a 5-star rating from Medicare. I looked at that. These folks know how to manage healthcare and do it in a way that not only gives dignity to the patients they're taking care of, but gives them excellent care.
Are you ready to enjoy life today with confidence in what's ahead?
Make the move to Oak Trace community here in Downers Grove, Illinois. This is a community where trailblazers are welcome.
To find out more about Oak Trace, a Lifespace community, visit oaktraceseniorliving.com, or you can see this segment again at designingspaces.tv.